Are you interested in the latest artist technological developments? Well, look no further. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of camera technology, all the way from cameras you can carry on your side, right up to large cameras on the cinematic scale. In the fast-paced world of technological advancements, one area that has seen remarkable progress is camera technology. From capturing everyday moments to creating cinematic masterpieces, cameras have become an integral part of our lives. Today, we will explore key aspects of camera technology, shedding light on resolution and aspect ratio, frame rates, low light performance, and the significance of lens types and focal length. Resolution and aspect ratio. Resolution and aspect ratio are crucial factors that determine the clarity and composition of an image. Resolution refers to the number of pixels in an image, affecting its sharpness and detail. Modern cameras boast impressive resolutions, measured in megapixels, ranging from entry-level cameras with around 12 megapixels to professional-grade cameras surpassing 50 megapixels. More megapixels means more details, which comes in handy in landscape photography, for example. That being said, the same camera will not be the best performer in low-light conditions. So the first thing you need to consider, besides your budget, is your needs and types of projects you're working on. Aspect ratio, on the other hand, defines the proportional relationship between the width and height of an image. Common aspect ratios include 4:3, 16:9, 9:16, and 3:2. The choice of aspect ratio depends on the intended use of the image. Frame rates. Frame rates play a pivotal role in video recording, influencing the smoothness and realism of motion. Standard frame rates include 24 FPS, or frames per second, 30 FPS, and 60 FPS, although higher frame rates are becoming increasingly common for specialized applications. Higher frame rates, such as 120 FPS or 240 FPS, are often employed in slow motion capture, allowing for a more detailed and captivating viewing experience. Low light performance. The ability of a camera to perform well in low light conditions is a key consideration for photographers and filmmakers, as not all moments unfold under ideal lighting. Low light performance is influenced by the size of the camera's sensor and the efficiency of its image processing algorithms. Take the Sony a7S III, for example, which is considered to be the low light performance king. In recent years, advancements in sensor technology and image processing have significantly improved low light performance. Cameras equipped with less megapixels have better low light performance, resulting in cleaner and more detailed images in challenging lighting situations. The downside is that you can't crop that much without quality decreasing when using a low megapixel sized sensor. Lens types and focal length. While sensors capture the image, lenses play a critical role in shaping the visual narrative. The choice of lens and its focal length determine the composition, depth of field, and overall aesthetic of the image. Prime lenses, with a fixed focal length, are favored for their sharpness and wide apertures, allowing for better performance in low light conditions. Zoom lenses, on the other hand, provide versatility by offering a range of focal lengths with a single lens. Understanding the impact of focal length on composition is essential for photographers, as it influences the perspective and framing of the shot. Wide-angle lenses capture expansive scenes, while telephoto lenses bring distant subjects closer, allowing photographers to express their creativity and vision. Conclusion. The tools to produce high-quality content are within arm's reach today. The first question you need to answer is, what type of content are you looking to produce? Let's say you want to make your name in wedding film cinematography. Then you would want to go with something light, relatively small, with good autofocus. Dare we say, good low light performance as well. Are you rather interested in filming interviews, testimonials, or anything in a controlled environment? That opens up the door for compact cinema cameras, such as the Red Komodo. Knowing this will set you up on the road and point you in the direction towards which tools are best. As technology progresses, we can anticipate even more exciting developments, further democratizing the art of visual storytelling for everyone. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe.